Hello everyone! It's been a while since I've done any sort of tour video. I've actually been in this flat for a year now and I haven't done a flat tour yet. I don't know why. But anyway, we're here today. We're doing my flat tour. I'm going to take you around and let's begin. We're starting in my main room. So you walk in to my flat and this is the first thing that you see is this huge room. What I loved about this room basically made me fall in love with the whole flat, was the ceilings are so high and I love that so much. And I loved the kitchen / dining area. I quite like hosting, as you know. So I like being able to cook and chat to someone in quite a relaxed environment. So when I'm hosting people, I can like be doing stuff in the kitchen, but they still feel like relaxed and like they can chat and hang out. So you walk in and here is my little kitchen. So nothing too interesting going on here. It's literally like a nice big surface to cook and chop and stuff. I have my microwave, some marble things that I should probably get rid of because I don't use them. My Thermomix, which is like the only kitchen appliance I really use now. My kettle, my water filter. This is so great. This is like a charger in the middle of my kitchen unit, which I love. And then this is where all the cooking magic happens. Back here is where I hide like oils and spices and things like that. And then there are cupboards and things underneath everywhere, which is where I store most things. Oh, and this is my fridge. By the way, this is quite a natural flat tour. I haven't like tidied up my entire flat for this. So this is what my fridge, it's kind of embarrassing now. This is what my fridge normally looks like. Let me just do that. That's what it normally looks like. It's okay. I'm not a super neat fridger. Do you know what I mean? I have the fruit, the veg goes down here. Oh, I went to my mum's house the other day and I stole some rice. I'm like her, oh, this is some wraps. I'm like her resident rice thief. I literally just like take a plastic bag and like steal her rice. She makes the best rice. And yeah, that's my fridge. Oh my gosh, I love these. These are utensil holders. I bought them when I moved in. This one actually says tea. There's one like tea, coffee, and sugar, but this one's utensils. And I just put the two of them together and like keep all my little wooden spoons and scissors and stuff in there. I have two other things. This I love. I actually bought this, I think, in Positano last year. And basically, I'll tell you about this. Basically, you're cooking your stuff, you're doing it along, then your spoon is wet and you put it down and then there's like the wetness dries and the spoon is left with some like wetness around it on your countertop, which just really bugs me out. So you put your spoon down on here and it doesn't mess up whatever's underneath, basically. I'll link everything I'm talking about down below, by the way. These are oven mitts, but I just like that they were blue and they're stained now. Okay, let's move on. In between my kitchen, this is my table. I bought this table from West Elm last year. What I love about it is that it seats 12 comfortably 12. You can probably have 14 at a squish here, which I love, and I love how beautiful it is. It's actually extendable, so you can like remove this middle panel if you want to make it smaller. I normally have flowers, which I love. You'll see a lot of this pottery in my house. It's burly. I love it so much, and I just use this jug as a flower pot. I then have a Victor and Rolf flower bomb candle. It smells so good, love it. This is normally where we work every day and we'll kind of sit here, like have a brainstorm. My laptop's here. It's not normally this neat. It's never this neat, by the way. It's because no one's here. And over on this side of the room is my fireplace. It's not a working fireplace, sadly, so I just have candles and little lanterns at the bottom. But up here I have some more exciting things. I have these Fornasetti candles, which I've never used because they're just too precious. I think I bought this one like 3 years ago and it still smells amazing, but they're just the most beautiful like decorative ornaments. I have these terrariums, which I actually put candles in. There's some neon candles in here. I'm obsessed with candles. And this was a Christmas gift from my friends. And oh, I have this Dior snow globe that I was gifted, which I love. I know it's like not Christmas anymore, but I never take it down. I have these amazing infinity flowers is what they're called. They're basically flowers that last forever. They're by Fleur de Paris. And my mirror, my honeycomb mirror. This gets a lot of love on my vlogs. I'll link it down below. I would love it to be a little bit bigger. I think it's a bit too small for this space, but I couldn't find anything as similar that I loved as much. So now this is like my more loungy area. This room is quite big. It fits a dining table, a kitchen, and a lounge area. So it's probably my favorite room in the flat. And this is where I sit down and relax. I actually don't have a TV in my flat. If I did, it would be opposite this, but I don't really watch TV to relax or anything like that. And if I do, I'll watch something on Netflix like really quickly, and I can just do that on my laptop. I did actually think about buying a projector, but I've never felt the need for it either, so I don't know. Let me start from this corner. This table is probably my favorite. Actually, no, I'll show you my favorite side table in my bedroom, but I do love this one because of the gold butterflies it has on it. It's just really special. And then in here, I have a picture of my sister and I in Paris. Oh my God, it must be like 5 years ago or something. And then here is a throw I keep on the end. It has these cute little pom-poms on it. It's from Urban Outfitters. I love Urban Outfitters homeware. I think they do such great things. My couch, actually, my bluey green teal, I think you would call it, velvet couch is from Urban Outfitters, and I love it. It's a 3-seater couch. It's just great, and it's really comfy and squishy. On my couch, I have 3 cushions. They're all from my mum. One says peace, one says love, and then there's an eye, which is like good luck. And above my couch, I have this print. It's a really basic print, I know, but it just makes me so happy. I look at it and I'm like, oh my gosh, you're so beautiful. It genuinely does, like, you know that Mary Kondo book that's like, does it bring you joy? It genuinely does bring me joy. I just look at it and I'm like, you're so beautiful. And then here I have this Pookie lamp. I actually want to replace the black color. I think the black is a bit too harsh. I want to replace it and get a light blue or a light green. So I've been looking at that in the store, but I do really love their lamps. I have some in my bedroom as well. Here is my little centered area. This rug gets a lot of love and I get a lot of questions about it. It's from Anthropologie, but I wouldn't recommend it at all. It sheds everywhere. If I'm wearing socks or something, all the fluff from the rug will stick to the socks. When I'm hoovering, it will take up a whole, like, what are they called? Like canisters of the hoover thing, if you know what I mean. I have to empty it every single time I hoover the rug. It's really not a practical rug, although it is gorgeous. This coffee table I got from West Elm, and I just really like the glass and the mirror that it has. I just keep like random things like this I bought from a market. I have my giant bay diptyque candle. It fills up the whole flat. It smells amazing. And then again with the Fleur de Paris, I have some books, some more candles, I have some shells from the beach. So on this side of the room, I have 2 matching chairs. I got the fabric and everything made. You can do it on sofa.com. I picked out the fabric, and same with the footstool as well. I actually vlogged this like a year ago, so if you want to see that, I'll link it down below. And then I got, ooh, there's a bit of black fluff on here. I got the matching pillows. Actually, no, they weren't matching. I think I just like picked these pillows, and they're just pink velvet. It's quite a girly apartment. And then back here I have this bookshelf from IKEA, which I'm not the biggest fan of, to be honest. I feel like I've had this for quite a while and it's just not really in keeping with the rest of my apartment. It's quite black and quite harsh. I have something in my mind that I've been looking for like over a year, like a gorgeous white glass cabinet or something, just like really beautiful. If anyone has any recommendations, please let me know, but I've never found anything and been like, yes, that is exactly what I'm looking for. So if you know of anything like white and beautiful and glass and just really pretty and girly, then please let me know. On here I keep a lot of random different things. I have these like limited edition Diet Coke bottles, even though I never drink Diet Coke and I never have liked Diet Coke, but I just like the limited edition bottles because I actually got this Matthew Williamson one like 15 years ago or something. And then I have this Russian doll, which my mum brought me back from Russia, which is so sweet. Oh, and I have my YouTube 100,000 subscriber play button. So that is this room done. Now come with me and we will go to my office. So this is my office room. It's basically my makeup storage collection doing room slash office, but I normally work in the main room anyway. But this basically, I store my lights for filming in here. I have my makeup. I've done a whole makeup collection room storage thing. So if you want to watch that, I'll link that down below if you want to see like how I store everything. The only thing that's really changed since that video is my brush pots, which I got from my best friend Philippa, and it says A and L on them in blue and pink. These are from Birdie Hall. I'll try and find a link to them and put them down below. I really need to wash my brushes, don't judge. I also have this board thing where I keep invites. I put a lot of like cards from brands and stuff on there, special pictures from events, things like that. I just pin them up on there. And then I have this table, which I got, I think from West Elm a while ago. It's a marble table and I love it, but it's super, super heavy. Here I have my fragrance section, which I love. It's like my favorite thing ever. Every day I get to like pick which fragrance I'm gonna wear, and it's just fun. And then I have my steamer, which is so trusty. I have an ironing board as well. Never use it. I literally just use my steamer. It's amazing. So this is the guest bathroom. Nothing very interesting to say about this except my hand wash and hand balm, which I keep in here for my special guests. Maria Nila Meadow hand soap. So gorgeous, really nice, actually kind of hydrating. And the Molten Brown Enriching Hand Lotion. Molten Brown and hand lotion, it's just like a match made in heaven. So I basically picked the best of what I love. So welcome to my bedroom. If you come in here, we can go into my bathroom, which is where we spend a lot of time together on, you know, evening vlogs and stuff. In here, I have this ornament, which is where I put my vlog camera when we're doing evening skincare chats. So there's a hairpin in there. Cool. Just put it back in there for now. And then I have two Dior J'adore. This is Dior J'adore and this is Dior J'adore L'Or, and both of them say my name on them, so they're very special. And then, oh my gosh, I have my hand soap. This is the Peony and Blush Suede by Jo Malone. I'm like down to the bitter end. It's so sad. This makes my hands smell so good for ages. I love it. Then in here I have a secret cupboard. Well, it's not secret, but you know, you can't really tell it's a cupboard. And then this is where I keep most of my skincare stash. So I have like a brand new Simple Cleansing Oil, which I opened the other night. I have my By Terry moisturizer, which I love. Oh, I have the Omra Vita Glam Glow. My Elemis cleanser, which I'm almost out of. Oh, I have this Shiseido Wazoo toner, which I'm really loving. Just general things I'm testing and trying at the moment. Sometimes this cupboard gets like a bit overwhelming and like can't even close. And then here I have my shower, and I keep multiple things in here, like things I'm trying, but what I'm loving is the Red Ken Diamond Oil. Makes your hair so shiny, right? That's what I'm using right now on my hair. And then I'll keep like other random things like Soap and Glory Scrub of Your Life. I basically have two shelves in here where I keep all my shower stuff. And then if we leave this room, oh actually I want to tell you about this, which is something I got from Urban Outfitters, which you literally stick on your railing and you can hang towels. Oh my god, my foundation mark on this towel, shame. Let's just hide that. I'm gonna turn this towel the other way around. Yeah, which you can hang towels and dressing gowns and stuff on, so that's what I do there. So this is my bedroom. I had a bit of a saga putting together my bedroom because my bed, I had the most like sagas of sagas, the wrong bed arrived, blah blah, like 3 months later I finally had a bed. Anyway, I got this one made based on the color of the headboard, and it actually has drawers underneath as well, which is amazing because I keep summer stuff and thick jumpers and things in there, which I love. It's actually quite a mess under there as well, like shoved in. But yeah, this is my bed. I went for like, I think it's called Duck Egg Blue. I have this throw, which I keep on my bed, which I love. It is from the White Company. And I have these white pillows as well. And my bunny, which I sleep with every night. I also have my ladybird, which you probably see me talk about on Instagram stories, which like shines stars onto the ceiling at night, which I love. Now the main focus of my room is my side table, which I feel like is totally getting ruined by my Dyson like heated slash thingy bobbed in. I told you I didn't tidy this up. But yeah, this side table. I mean, you can tell I literally haven't tidied this up. So I have my hand cream from By Terry, which I use. But this side table, these are just life. They're so, so, so beautiful. I have my diaries on here. I have like a Dreams and Thoughts diary and my 5-year diary, which I started again this year. This is my 6th year doing something like this. And you basically write every day what you're doing, and then you can look back like what you were doing this time last year. It's really cool, I love it. Then I have my lamp, which I love. I have the pink and the green. I think it adds like some fun color to the room. I don't actually have carpet in my bedroom. I know people love carpet in their bedroom, but I'm such a makeup junkie and I'm such a klutz that I hate carpet. So I have this little furry rug. Nothing else to say about that. Here you will find Duke in his natural habitat. He stole my coat and he sleeps on it. And I gave up a long time ago trying to get my coat back. It's his bed now. Like, you'll see his bed is around there. He doesn't like his bed, he likes my coat. Whatever, you know, you do what you gotta do when you love your dog. Then I also have the matching mirror to my side tables, which I bought a couple months ago, or maybe even only a month ago now. Actually, no, I bought it on Black Friday in the sale, and I love it. I didn't have a mirror in my bedroom for such a long time, and now I'm really happy to have this in my life so I can check my outfits and stuff. Oh, hi. Oh, morning. Great to see you. Great, you're so alive. Oh, itchy, 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 itchy. Oh, great. Yeah, so in here I have a purple stool, which is just great to chuck clothes on when you can't be bothered to put them back in your cupboard. You know how it goes. And then here's Duke's bed, which he has absolutely no interest in, so I should definitely get rid of it. And then I have the same matching side table back here as well. Such an intellectual, with my poetry by the bed, right? And my glasses. Like, how prop was that though? That was honestly not staged, as you can tell by the state of the other side. This candle is my favorite bedroom candle. It's a replica and it's by the fireplace. It's like the warmest, snuggliest scent, especially for winter. I'm basically out of it. It smells so good. And then on this side I have my wardrobes, which, oh, they're not as messy as I thought they'd be. Okay, I can show you. Which I've done a whole closet tour, so if you want to see that, I'll link that down below if you want to see exactly everything in my closet. So this is the bag situation. If you want to see the rest of my cupboards, you can check out my other video that I did. So that is the end of my flat tour. I don't know what Duke is doing and I feel like he's about to help my bunny, so I'm just gonna take it away from him. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to find out where anything is from, it will be linked details down below. And I will see you very soon with another video. Mwah. Thanks for watching. Bye!